Last tutorial of the weekend, and then I have some homework to do for the University of Michigan. So I'm going to give you one more Google Tech tip for the weekend. That tip is, some of you, when you create a document for a class or when you prepare a slideshow, you are losing track of where to find it. If you create a Google slide, you know to go to your waffle, you find the slide, and then to create your email, you go to email. To find out your assignments in classroom, you go to classroom, documents, etc. If you want to find all those slideshows you did for me, any document you shared with me, the first thing you need to do is go to Google Drive. And right up top, it's going to show the first thing that you did, and then the second thing, and then the third thing with this quick access up here. But it's going to be much easier for you to find your work down here. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. If we go back to Google and we go into Google Docs, I'm going to create a document real quick. Let's say I had a lot of let's say I'm going to add to one of the documents I worked on. So this is something we've been talking about in class about drones, and I said if we create a commercial, I'm going to endorse drone photography. So let's just say I came up with another idea. Finding businesses to help practice drone usage. Okay, so I'm going to, and really you never have to save. It's always going to say save to drive. Now, if I close that up and I go back into Google, we don't want to go that way. I go back into Google Chrome and I go to my account. This is what you guys usually have come up, and yours, I got to go a couple more clicks because I have a couple accounts. And click on that waffle, go to your drive, and that assignment should be right here. There it is. So that's the easiest way to find it. You can go back into slides, you can go back into docs, and but I think the quickest way for you to find your work is to go back into Google Drive, and when you click on it, it's going to open up in whatever app you use, like Google Docs or Slides or Excel. I don't think any of you are using that yet, but it will open up in the program you were using. So that's what Google Drive does. When you click on it, you go there, you find your work. You save pictures to put in things, they're going to be saved in your Google Drive. Some of you are talking about pictures that you're going to take to do the commercials. Also, if you connect your phone, you're going to save those to your drive. So that's where you're going to store all of your work. So there's another Google Tech tip of the weekend. That's number 3. So I'm going to let you work on those, and I might throw a couple more out midweek, and I will post them to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, Bearcats!